in the city, the cops are stopping me. The projects is full of bullets, the bodies is dropping. They ain't no stopping me. Constantly moving while making millions, witnessing killings, leaving dead bodies in abandoned buildings. Carries the children cause they're illin', addicted to killing, and the appeal from the gap villain. Without feeling, but will they last or be blasted? Hard-headed bastard. Maybe you'll listen in this casket, the aftermath. More bodies being buried. I'm missing my homies in a hurry. They relocating to the cemetery. Got me worried, stressing my business worry. The question is, will I live? No one in the world loves me. I'm headed for danger. Don't trust strangers, but one in the chamber whenever I'm feeling this anger. Don't wanna make excuses, but this is how it is. What's the use unless we shoot? No one notices the you. It's just me against the world, baby. It's just me against the world. Against the world. I wonder is after death, after my last breath, when will I finally get to rest through this suppression? They punish the people that's asking questions and those that possess. Still from the ones without possessions, the message I stress. To make it stop, study your lessons, don't settle for less. Even the genius asks questions, be grateful for blessings. Don't ever change, keep your essence. The power is in the people, in politics we address. Always do your best, don't let the pressure make you